Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you indoor games. So this is my DIY game book. So I made this game book a while ago. I don't have a video on this because at that time I didn't have a channel or something. But this game book was so fun, and using this game book I was able to spend most of my time playing with this. Or usually you guys and other people are spending their times watching phone, and it's not good for your eyesight. So I have some indoor game ideas for now because this is summer and it's so hot. We can't go out in the entire day like we're doing watching phone. So I think this is a really fun idea to do, and this will keep us really bored, not bored, and it will give us so many fun things to do. And it was so fun that I wasn't able to stop, and I had to stop because it was night and I had to sleep. So let's get started. So here is my game book. I have this little pineapple here, and the blue cover is so beautiful. This is the back side with pocket for dices and things like that. So yeah, let's open the first page. Here we have tic-tac-toe. Here we have tic-tac-toe, and here are the things you can use to play. Yeah, here we have those. So let's play. Guys, I took out the little thing you used to play with, but I need someone to play with. Hey, what's up? Oh, hi, Rachel. Can I play? Can I be blue? Sure. Okay, so let's play. I'll go first. So I'm gonna go with green. Put it here. All right, blue. Blue. I want there. Right. My turn. Let's put it here. Oh yeah. Put mine right there. Okay, here. Yep. And mine here. Yeah, guys, I win. Never mind. It's okay. Yeah, you shouldn't take these games seriously. Yeah, they're just for fun. I don't care who wins or loses. I just had so much fun. Oh, that was so much better than this phone I was watching. Oh, let me tell my friends. I'll be right back. Oh, okay. Okay, let's move on to the next game. So easy to clean. Let's move on to the next page. This is my next page, and we have so many cool things in here. I'm so excited to see what we're gonna do with this. Let's play, but I need someone to play with. I'll play. Rachel told me that you have fun games. I'll play, definitely. I'll be here, and yeah, let's get started. So let me take the things out of here. So we have two colored correctors from the start to the finish. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so you're gonna go first, and you got 5. So I'm gonna be green. Okay, so 5 is nothing. Let's see what I got. 1. Take 2 coins. I'm gonna get 2 coins now. 1, 2. There we go. Hey, my turn. You got 2. 1, 2, nothing. 3, 1, 2, 3, nothing. Your turn. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove 1 coin. I don't have coins. What should I do? Then, if you get coins in the future, you remove them. Okay. And I got a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 coin. Let's take it from this pocket. There's no coins in my way. 1, 2. I still have more to go. 1, 2. Actually, you won because you have more coins, but I finished my round. Oh, this game is so fun and easy. And it's so easy to clean up. And here we go. Let's move on to the next game. Moving on to the next game. Trading! I really like trading. Okay, that was crazy. I'm so excited. I've been a while I didn't play with this because I had to do schoolwork and stuff like that. But whoa, guys, this is so beautiful. And I remember it took me 2-3 hours just to draw this. And I really like these little mats that I made, and the buttons are just so cute. So I need someone to trade with now. I'm here to trade with you. Oh, hi, Chloe. Ooh. So who's gonna offer first? Okay, you can offer. Okay, so I am going to offer these cute cat highlighters. Cats, I want them. I'll offer you this doll chair. Oh, let me put it here. Doll chair. I think you're gonna add. My highlighters are way cuter. What about post-it notes? Okay, post-it notes are a good idea. I accept. I think you're gonna add. Oh, fine. Let me find something. I'll be right back. Cannibal! Umbrellas for dolls. You like doll stuff, so I got you umbrellas. So accept. Yes, I got so many doll things. Let's trade them. Go on to the next game. The last and final one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, now we can go to the last. Boxes is my best favorite game. I have played with it, as you can see. I played with my brother, my mom. Guys, so I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this with your friends, and make your own books. This is so easy, so fun. I hope you like this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends. Bye!